Welcome. Make sure to have your badge scanned, which will enter you to win a brand new PermaGreen Triumph. You'll also get the new app, which allows you to customize a new machine and get a quote with special show savings up to $2,000. The PermaGreen Triumph is the one machine that does it all. Every day, thousands of satisfied users across the country put their Triumphs to work, satisfying customers, providing for their families, and growing their businesses. Once you understand the true benefits of owning a Triumph, you'll want one too. So, why would someone pay $13,000 for a basic PermaGreen? Well, it's one machine for all properties. The calibration is locked in. It's super stable on hills. And because the Triumph is lightweight, it's transportable without a trailer. With production speeds up to 3,500 square feet per minute, it's equal to 4 nozzle Zs. And its drop-down deflector makes it an excellent trim machine. No more wasted product in flower beds or out in the street. One of the best reasons to own a PermaGreen? It virtually eliminates pushing a spreader and pulling a spray hose. The hottest topic today in the lawn care industry is employee burnout. Many employees go to work on Monday, put on gloves, pull hose, and push spreaders 8, 10, even 12 hours a day, sometimes 50 to 60 hours a week. Can you imagine how those employees feel come Friday? They feel like quitting. The PermaGreen Triumph is a ride-on spreader sprayer. No more walking. Remember riding your first bike? It's a lot like that. On a PermaGreen, techs do a better job on the property, which means fewer callbacks, fewer angry customers, and happier crews. When you ride instead of walk, stress and fatigue go down. So instead of spending your weekend recovering, you have time to play with your kids. If you don't think riding beats walking, try walking to work a couple of days next week. We all know time is money, and riding a PermaGreen saves a lot of time. How much time? What's your time worth? A PermaGreen can spread and spray a 3,000 square foot lawn in 1 minute, yielding about $47. So if you could save just 30 minutes throughout your workday, you could make an extra $1,410 in additional revenue per day. At that rate, you'd pay off your $13,000 PermaGreen Triumph in just over 9 days. What else in life has an ROI of 9 days? And it gets better. PermaGreen offers a number of add-on options to save you even more time and make you more money. Our main tank spray gun option comes with a 25-foot coiled hose. It eliminates backpack fatigue, callbacks, and cancellations, and saves a ton of time throughout the day. How long does it take you to walk to your truck and grab your current backpack sprayer? 2 minutes? 3? If the add-on spray gun costs $600 and you pocket $47 for every minute saved, you'd pay it off in just 13 minutes. Our second tank spray gun is a $900 option that includes a 2-gallon auxiliary spray tank and a spray gun. It lets you apply crabgrass killer while making regular applications. This feature allows you to upsell an optional insecticide or fungicide and apply it without extra labor, reducing callbacks and cancellations. You shouldn't go to work without this time saver. At $900 divided by $47 per minute, that's an ROI of about 20 minutes. Our next option is the OptiX GPS System. It costs $1,249 plus a monthly subscription. In real time, the OptiX system shows you and your tech the accuracy of every application. So if needed, they can immediately correct imperfections and prevent a callback or cancellation. It tracks every movement, driving, parking, or spraying, from the moment the Triumph leaves the shop until it returns. Sticking with the 1-minute savings model, the GPS system has an ROI of about 26.5 minutes. Our next add-on option, Never Flat Front Tires, are one of the most cost-effective investments you can make at $500. A flat tire isn't uncommon, and it can take hours to fix. If a replacement is needed, it can take days to arrive, or cost extra in next-day shipping. If 1 minute of saved time equals $47 in profit, your ROI on Never Flat Front Tires is about 10.5 minutes. Our Never Flat rear tires, at $350 per set, provide an amazing ride and are just as cost-effective. When a flat occurs on a standard tire, a new one must be brought to the site, the machine jacked up, and the tire replaced. Meanwhile, the tech and repair person are being paid during downtime, and it doesn't look great to the customer. At $47 per minute, your ROI on Never Flat rear tires is just 8 minutes. The new 2-minute autofill system, priced at $17.49, is the ultimate time saver. It features a 2-minute fill time, quick connect valves, and float switches to prevent overfilling. It's powered by the electric start battery or a 12-volt power tool battery and has an ROI of 40 minutes. Refilling quickly saves time, and every minute saved means more money made. These options are exclusive to PermaGreen, and they're your first line of defense against lost customers, lost techs, and wasted time. In this industry, saving time is the key to growth. Owning a PermaGreen saves you hours every day. Those saved minutes and hours let you take on more customers and scale your business to the next level. Isn't that what it's all about? Riding a PermaGreen creates happy techs who do better work, faster, with fewer callbacks and lower turnover. Our technology improves your team's workload and work-life balance, and our add-ons pay for themselves in no time. Time is money. Talk to one of our knowledgeable staff members here in the booth to learn more about what a PermaGreen can do for your business. Or head outside to our booth and ride one for yourself. Also, before you go, scan your badge to enter to win a new PermaGreen Triumph and get the Machine Builder app sent straight to your phone. Build the machine you want. PermaGreen.